Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Glowing, radiant skin is something we all desire. But it's not always easy to achieve, especially with factors like pollution, sun exposure and lifestyle habits dulling our skin over time. Today, I'm sharing my top home remedies that will revive dull skin and give you a gorgeous natural glow. These remedies utilize ingredients commonly found in our kitchens and are completely safe and gentle on the skin. Let's get started. Remedy number 1, Honey and Lemon Face Mask. Mix together 2 teaspoons raw honey with 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Apply this mask and leave it on for 15 minutes. Honey moisturizes while lemon exfoliates dead cells and brightens the complexion. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. Remedy number 2, Milk and Saffron Facial. Add a few strands of saffron to 2 tablespoons milk. Apply this evenly on your face and rinse it off after 20 minutes. The properties in saffron and milk impart a gorgeous glow and improve skin texture. Remedy number 3, Yogurt and Gramflour Scrub. To exfoliate and deeply cleanse your skin, make a paste using 1 tablespoon yogurt and 2 tablespoons Gramflour. Gently scrub your face with this, then wash off with water. Do this 2 times a week for glowing skin. Remedy number 4, Orange Juice and Multanimitti Pack. Mix 2 teaspoons orange juice with 1 teaspoon multanimitti powder. Apply a smooth paste on your skin and let it dry for 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Oranges tighten pores while multanimitti brightens complexion. Remedy number 5, Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe Vera Gel is a wonderful natural remedy for achieving flawless, glowing skin. Apply fresh aloe gel daily and leave it overnight. The antioxidants and vitamins in aloe nourish the skin deeply. So try these simple home remedies using common kitchen ingredients to revive dull skin and get that gorgeous natural glow we all love. Let me know in the comments below which remedy worked best for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.